what happened. Tell me what happened, Autumn.
I go to grab this rat, and it was being all friendly, and it bit my finger.
You got soap in your hair.
Yep, you just got soap in your hair.
It's strange. I feel like we've been here before.
Well, tell them what happened to you.
I ran my finger the wrong way up an iguana's tail.
Yeah, she didn't get scratched by an iguana. She didn't get bit by an
No.
iguana. She ran her finger up its
I was
spines
just
on its
reaching
tail.
up the wrong way, and yeah, it got me good. It's like petting a shark backwards.
Yep. She bled everywhere.
Except now we're doing this.
It was just chilling there.
And now we got another
With
person.
my finger, I actually felt it
But at least it
pop
was a
under it.
different finger.
Which
Yeah,
finger?
it's only the fact that I'm like elbow deep in fish tanks right now.
Which finger?
Yeah.
That one, it's something
Oh.
small. It's just a nice little rat bite. I'm
Ouch.
just tired of.
Yeah, just clean it out really good because they got
Yeah, you
nasty
just
teeth.
covered it with.
Bandage it up and put it in glove like
Hydrogen peroxide.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm supposed to do about being in fish tanks though.
Use one hand.
Yeah.
Because I'm still like cleaning fish tanks right now.
You need like the longer, like the gardening gloves, the ones that go up to like here. I don't have those.
I do have them.
Oh, you mean like the gloves you put on to do an exam on a cow?
Okay, sure. I was going with gardening, but sure, we'll go with that.
Oh, did I make Connie laugh?
Oh no. That's funny.
That's the first thing I thought of when I thought of long gloves was shoop, shoop.
No, I think
All right.
Chelsea bled
I think I
everywhere.
bled the most. Yeah.
Chelsea got all over the cage.
Oh, yeah,
And
it was
Tinkerbell
in
was
the
watching her
cage.
like, what did I do?
Yeah. No, Tinkerbell has no idea what she did.
Poor Tinkerbell. She
didn't-
didn't do
she didn't know-
anything.
she
You
didn't-
did it.
She didn't move. She didn't. She had no idea. So,
Poor Tinkerbell getting a bad rap.
poor Tinkerbell. I'm not giving her a bad rap. It's just
I know.
really unlucky on my part.
It's a freak accident.
Yeah, I couldn't do that again if I tried.
Don't try again, please.
No, would not recommend doing that. Do
Watch
not.
where her tail is when you go in there next time. There goes Autumn. Oh, she's gonna just go show Matt and make him pass out.
It's
No.
two.
Well, I come back here and he's like, hey. I was like,
Hey.
hey, covering my finger so he didn't look at it.
Yeah, because if Matt sees blood, he will get sick.
Like 2 out of 3 animal care. Jenny's next.
Well, no, Jenny had her fair share a few weeks ago. Little Lizard came running at her and almost got her in her thigh.
What?
Almost. That's why she didn't make a big deal about it.
See,
She was
that's
almost.
an almost.
She was like,
She didn't get her
she
though.
about lost her damn thigh. Chelsea shredded a finger.
Man.
Okay, well, I'm going home if you need me for anything else.
Bye, Chelsea. Hope your finger
Bye.
feels better.
Yeah, I gotta go to Walmart.
Go,
get some stuff.
go get some high peroxide. I have some just because I get cut or bit every day.
Yep.
Almost every day I get bit by a
This
snake.
bad though, like, usually done with by the time I leave.
Oh, I'm tired of my life.
Not what happened this time.
Drama, drama. Drama, drama.